Alright, so we wanted to make a short video on fire damage repair and restoration. So this house actually had a fire that started in the attic, and it was a squirrel that chewed through the power line. So we're removing all of the metal roofing and trusses and replacing the trusses. We're going to take you on a quick walkthrough of the property so you can see the progress. So we've started building some of this house. You see this is an older home with slats, walls, and what we're going to do here is tear this out and open this up. So we're going to replace these walls with shiplap. Now, obviously in the process, we need to remove all the burnt material. Some of this has actually got a little bit of mold on it from where it sat for a little while after the fire department put the fire out. So all of this has to be removed. And if you pass through into some of the other rooms, you can see the house is actually an interesting little house. But we've had to strip quite a bit off these walls. Now, typically you come into these homes, if it's wet from the fire department and we have fire, we want to throw some dehumidifiers in, but unfortunately this house sat for a little while. We couldn't do that right away. Now, on things like this, we'll use a chemical sponge to remove the soot and then spray it with a degreaser to clean it up. Any of the components, building components that are going to stay behind, we will clean those with chem sponges and a degreaser, deodorizer, and seal it back with a degreaser, with a odor counteractive shellac. So there are actually two ceilings in this house. We've just this week opened this wall up. So this had a very small kitchen, and we opened this wall up and put this beam in here to give it a more modern look. And of course, here's where the fire started. So here's your short 3-minute video of a fire damage in progress. Of course, we're going to tear this bathroom out and fill it up with new subway tile, make it really beautiful. Probably be replacing the doors with shaker style doors and make this a real interesting little house. So we'll keep posting progress videos so you guys can see what we do on fire damage restoration.